Welcome, folks. Before we jump into changing versions, let's talk about why Ansible has multiple versions. Each update brings new features, but it can also bring compatibility headaches. That's why managing versions is a must, unless you enjoy surprise debugging at 2 a.m. The method you use depends on how Ansible was installed, so let's make sure we pick the right approach. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Okay, first things first, what version do we even have? Running Ansible version is the easiest way to check. Trust me, skipping this step is like changing car tires before checking their size. Verifying dependencies ensures a smooth transition, and knowing your current version helps avoid unnecessary headaches. So before we make changes, let's do a quick check. Want to upgrade or downgrade quickly? Say hello to package managers. Whether it's apt for Ubuntu or Yum for CentOS, these tools make switching versions seamless. Just make sure the repository actually has the version you need. Otherwise, you'll be hunting for missing dependencies like a treasure hunt without a map. If you're a fan of precision, using Pip is the way to go. It lets you install the exact version you want, no surprises. But make sure your Python environment is set up correctly, or you'll be chasing missing dependencies like a detective on a confusing case. Before making any changes, it's crucial to check which Ansible version you're working with. Just like checking the expiry date on milk, nobody wants a surprise. Running Ansible version gives you instant clarity. Compatibility is key, so ensure your configurations align with the installed version. Dependencies can sneak up like uninvited guests. Validate them beforehand. And finally, knowing where Ansible is installed helps avoid confusion down the road. Changing Ansible versions isn't just a click-and-go situation. You need to deal with dependencies first. Think of it like swapping out a car engine. You wouldn't want random parts failing later. Virtual environments are your best friend. They help keep different versions isolated, like having separate toolkits for different tasks. Updating dependencies in a structured way prevents compatibility nightmares. And always, yes, always test playbooks after an update. Version management isn't just about keeping things up to date. It's about keeping chaos out. Stable releases offer reliability, so use them in production. Always test new versions first, like tasting food before serving it at a party. Documentation helps the whole team stay on track, because who wants to decode cryptic setup issues? And finally, automate version checks to make life easier. Problems happen, it's a fact of life, like Wi-Fi failing just when you need it most. Logs and debug modes are your first stop when troubleshooting version changes. Always compare your configurations before and after updates. It's like taking before and after selfies. If things go horribly wrong, rolling back to the previous version can save the day. And don't underestimate the power of online communities. They've probably seen it all. Updating Ansible is like maintaining a car. You don't wait for the engine to fail before changing the oil. Keep an eye on official updates to stay ahead. Scheduling updates prevents security risks, like patching cracks before they become holes. Automation tools make upgrades painless. Why do things manually when machines can help? And don't forget to educate your team. Knowledge is power. Managing Ansible versions doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about staying proactive. Regular updates keep your system stable, preventing surprise crashes. Handling dependencies first ensures a smooth transition, so don't let them catch you off guard. Best practices make life easier. Why reinvent the wheel? And finally, stay informed. The world of Ansible evolves, and keeping up helps you stay ahead of the game. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.